She leans in for a hug. It's just a few seconds, but everything about that moment speaks louder than words. Her body language, the softness in her hold, the way she pulls back just a little slower than usual. Most guys miss the signals completely, but you won't, because how you respond in that quiet moment can plant you in her mind for days, weeks, maybe longer. Most men think a hug is just a hug, a polite gesture, a casual hello or goodbye, but women experience it differently. Emotionally, psychologically, it's a moment of connection, of testing energy, of sensing presence. If you respond too stiff, you'll feel cold. Too eager, you'll feel desperate. But if you respond with calm confidence, like you know the power of stillness, she'll feel something she can't quite explain, but she won't forget it. That's when you start living rent-free in her thoughts without saying a single word. Let's break down the 4 types of hugs and exactly how to respond to each one like a Stoic. 1. The quick pat hug. This is the one where she leans in, barely touches you, gives 2 light pats on the back, and pulls away fast. It's brief, distant, and low effort. Most guys either overreact, trying to force a deeper moment, or they ignore it completely, assuming she's not into them. But here's what's really going on. This hug is a test. She's protecting her space while checking your vibe. She wants to know, will you stay grounded or will you chase? If you lean in more or try to hold longer, she senses neediness. If you freeze or feel rejected, she feels your insecurity. So here's how you respond. Stay relaxed. Accept the hug exactly as it is. No more, no less. Let your arms drop slowly, like you were never in a rush. Make soft eye contact after, and give a slow, subtle smile, like you understood the moment and you're not shaken by it. That quiet confidence will echo in her mind. She'll wonder, why didn't he try harder? And that curiosity sticks. 2. The friendly side. Hug. You're standing next to her and she slides in sideways, looping just one arm around you. It's casual. Maybe you're walking together, sitting down, or she's introducing you to someone else. Most men take this as being friend-zoned, but here's the twist. This hug is about comfort, not just closeness. When she gives you a side hug, she's saying, I feel safe next to you, but I'm not ready to go deep yet. And this is where guys either mess up by being too passive or ruin it by turning it into a joke. Your move? Stay calm, keep your arm gently around her, but don't squeeze. Match her energy. If she leans in, you lean slightly in too, but keep your focus ahead, not on her. That calm detachment, it makes you feel like someone who's not begging for attention. You attract it. She'll feel the safety, the steadiness, and the mystery, and that combination is powerful. 3. The slow hold hug. This one is different. She leans in, wraps both arms around you, and stays there. Not too tight, not too fast, just still. There's warmth. Maybe she lets out a breath. Maybe her hands linger on your back or waist. Here's the truth. This is an emotionally loaded hug. She feels something for you, but she's also feeling you, your presence, your energy, your stillness. If you get awkward, overthink, or break it off too soon, the moment dies. But if you hold her like you're fully present, but not needy, that moment expands. Here's how. Gently place your hands on her back. Hold her with a calm steadiness. Breathe slowly. Let her feel the rhythm. Don't say anything right away. Let the silence stretch for a few seconds. Then when you finally pull back, do it slowly. Look into her eyes. No words. Just a subtle half smile, maybe a soft nod. That's it. She will feel the difference between every other guy who hugs her. And you, because you weren't just hugging her body, you were holding space. And women don't forget that. The playful surprise hug. She jumps on you from behind, or pulls you into a random hug while laughing, or hugs you mid-conversation when you're not expecting it. This one's playful, but underneath it, there's an emotional message. I want to feel close to you in a fun, spontaneous way. Most guys ruin this by reacting with too much energy, hugging back too aggressively, making it sexual too fast, or saying something goofy to deflect the emotion. Here's what you do instead. Match the playfulness, but stay grounded. Hug her back warmly, but keep your body calm. Laugh with her, yes, but let your eyes and your tone carry a hint of sincerity. Like, I enjoy this, but I don't need to chase it. You're letting her have fun with you, not trying to win her over. And after the hug ends, don't immediately switch topics. Let a quiet moment sit. Look at her for just a second longer than normal. That pause will hit her subconscious like a wave, because it shows that you're not just enjoying her energy. You're noticing her. And feeling seen is what keeps you in her head when the moment is over. Most guys go through life thinking these moments don't matter. A hug is just a hug. But a man who sees beyond the surface, who knows how to read her energy and respond with calm presence, that man leaves a mark. Not through words, not through charm, but through how he makes her feel without trying. That's the power of soft masculinity, of emotional intelligence, of quiet, centered strength. You don't need to do more. You need to be more. Present, attuned, still. That's what makes you unforgettable. Which one of these hugs have you experienced lately, and how did you respond? Drop your answer in the comments. I read everyone. And if you want more psychology-backed insights like this, make sure to like this video so I know you're into it.